This little girl and her dog were chasing each other and playing on their way home when she suddenly fell. The dog, running ahead, stopped in its tracks and looked back to see her lying on the ground. It wagged its tail and walked back to her. The little girl held onto the dog and slowly got up. Hearing her say, "Thank you," the dog took a step forward. She hugged the dog gently and stroked its fur. As they continued walking, the dog kept looking back every few steps, determined to protect its best friend. If you agree that dogs are man's best friends, subscribe.